Hello and welcome back to Rev Lexus, the Lexus channel for you. Now you join me inside my LC 500H, and I wanted to do this video because I've got a smart screen I've just put into the car this morning to try it out for CarPlay and Android Auto, and I just wanted to see what it's going to be like. So this particular one I've got, for anybody curious, is called Carabc 10.3-inch touchscreen. It's got Android Auto and CarPlay capabilities. I've got an iPhone, so it's going to be for that. What I like about this one is it pivots and it's on a little arm, so it attaches to the screen. But it's got a little arm here, so you can like push it in and you can lower it as well. And this bit comes off quite easily as well. So if I wanted to go here, there's a little button you can push and it like slides out. So if I was in an area I was a bit nervous about leaving the screen out, I could put that in the glove box there. But yeah, that just literally slides over that. And how do this with one hand? There we go. So that just goes back onto that mount, clicks into place, and then you're good to go and have that display. You can do your music, apps, podcasts, whatever you want to go in. And it clips into the USB ports. I can put the USB-A port into the 12 volt power outlet, or connect it into there, and then you've got your aux cable as well for the audio. So if I go in here and let me just put on some sort of song, there we go, a bit of Kelly Clarkson. Don't want to get copyright, but that comes through the speakers in the car, which is a plus. I do like it when it makes life simple, and what I quite like about it is the fact you can move it around, like pivot it, it goes towards you, you can put it up there, and I can hide it as well. So I'm going to give it a go and maybe do another follow-up video with it, but let's see how we get on. But this car of LC age doesn't have CarPlay in it. I have seen some other people in the forums rip this screen out and put CarPlay in, but I thought, why not give this a try? Now I might lower it a little bit. Can I do that now? Like, that may be a bit better for point of view. I'll get something sorted so it's not super high. I might need to lower it, so it's got a suction mount back there, but I'm glad it's not one of those ones that sticks to the top of the dash, because that material, I'm worried if that would just like pull up with the colour of paint or something would come off that if it stuck to it. So yeah, I've got one that sticks to the dash, which is a plus. But anyway, I wanted to share it with you. If you are interested, I'll leave information on it below if you want to check it out on the website and do your own either research or even buy one. But I thought I'd at least share it with you and let you know what I've just picked up for today. Yeah, let's get on. Anyway, before I ramble on, thanks very much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends if you're a Lexus fan or an enthusiast, and I will see you all next video. Hopefully get another Lexus on the channel soon. Just need to wait for the new ES to come out to the UK, and maybe the RX 550E. I think that's the only ones we're going to be getting this year. Could be wrong for anything else, but yeah, we've not got too much new Lexus products coming, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll see you next video. Ciao.